We are remodeling our kitchen, got the cabinets in, get ready for countertops. So now I'm super excited to organize the drawers. So these are adjustable dividers. They're 2.5 inches tall. They go down to as little as 13 inches or out to 22 inches. This little lever here allows you to lock it into place, pull it out, and retract it. So to start with, you pull up your lever, you get it to where you like it, and lock it into place. Look at how sturdy these dividers are. They have foam on the end so that your drawer is protected, but it is a 3-pack. They do come and have ones that come taller at 4 inches, and they have different colors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in. I'm excited to use them in the kitchen, but these things are super handy. I'm taking my old cabinets and putting it in my craft room, so I'm gonna have to order another set for there because these are just that cool. There they are, all locked in. Now the possibilities are endless. These are fantastic for the kitchen, but you can use them in your office, in the nursery, in the bathroom. I am loving it. So if you're looking for a way to organize your drawers, I would sure check out these adjustable dividers. I cannot even tell you the possibilities that come to mind to use these.